Hey everybody, I am sitting out here with my old, lovely, awesome Porter Cable tools. Now, a lot of y'all are like, Porter Cable, well man, it's not a Milwaukee. It's not a DeWalt. It ain't a Ryobi. It ain't a $300. It's affordable. So I just want to give you guys a little rundown here. Um, Batteries. Man, the internet, eBay, Amazon, they're eat up with these damn tool batteries. Um, $25, $30, and I'm showing you this one here. This is for Black and Decker. Two of them for $25. 1.5 amp hour, 2 amp hour, claim to be 3 amp hour. If you see amp hour reading on a battery from eBay or Amazon, take it with a grain of salt and your pants pulled up. All right. So you want to make sure of that. Now, the only one that I'll be honest with you might be truthfully rated because of the cells that are in it is probably that Black & Decker aftermarket battery. Okay. I opened this one up and it's got 1.750 or 1750 on the cells. Open this one up that claims to be 3,000 and it's got 2.2. Look at the brands. Not saying it's terrible. Price is good. Just realize what you're getting. Open this one up and it's actually got 1,550. It's actually underrated. What I'm getting at here is I want to show y'all something kind of cool. Now, these last about a year. Don't know yet, but they're doing good. These 18-volt lithium alternate batteries for these saws. You have to buy the charger. So this is a Porter Cable charger, $40. Battery, $20 to $25. This is the lithium charger. Now you got to remember, it's special. It's got to be lithium charger because, you know, lithium is special. So this charger here is $30. 39. This is $39, and the battery is $30. This charger is $25. It's a knockoff Black & Decker charger, and it's battery's fully charged. And that might start blinking because I took it off, but it is this Black & Decker battery. I can get two for $27, and they're light as hell. And I don't mind popping a battery on and off. Hell, that'll fit in my back pocket. So what I'm getting at is I'm going to show you something here. I'm going to take this saw, and y'all stay with me. And all of these right here, everything that I got sitting here, so you can compare, so you can option. So if you can buy them if you want them, will be down there below the video. I'll find the sources on the ones that I have figured out do work well, like the Bizways, and do work well, like the at-bats and stuff. And I want you to listen to something. Now, that is the NiCad. It's fully charged. Listen. Okay. And then I'm going to grab this saw up, and I'm going to cut a 2.5 inch wide, or deep cut on this 2x3. Okay. So you listen to that. Now, take that one off, put it back on the charger. I'm going to take this alternate battery, lithium 18 volt, 2 amp hour, and I'm going to put it on. Listen to it. Sounds like it's got a little more hit to it. That's pretty good. All right, so we're going to take that one, and we're going to cut. Pretty good torque, pretty quick cut. Just a slightly faster cut than that one. And this battery's pretty new. All of them were fully charged, according to their chargers. And then, wait a minute. That's not a Porter Cable battery. Oh, shit. Oh, wait a minute. All right, now, you probably all have seen that out there is these adapters that allow you to use a 20-volt battery on a not a Porter Cable, on another Black & Decker. You see? The old Firestorms. But what you guys probably haven't seen yet, and I haven't seen a video yet, is a little request I made through AliExpress and Alibaba and stuff to get a dealer to start pushing these. What the hell? You mean I can take a $14 or $15 battery and run that? Hell yes, I can. Now I can. So check this out. Black & Decker battery. No bigger. In fact, it is smaller than the factory battery. It only goes by a 1/4 inch longer. I'm going to put that in the saw. Look at that. 20-volt Black & Decker battery on a Porter cable. And if you say, oh man, no, that's 18-volt. You can't do that. Don't do that. It's dangerous. You don't know anything about DC motors. Here's the deal. This can handle up to 24 volts. So it'll run on 14 to 24. This will run on 14 to 22. This will run on 14 to 22 because the motor in this and this drill are the same identical motor. DC, they'll run on a variance. So we have this one. Let's listen. That's a hit. I like that. A lot cheaper price. I'll put that on there. Easy cut. Cheap 1.5 amp battery. Light, easy. You hold it in your pocket. That don't fit in my pocket well. But this does. Those batteries, 2 for $27, 1 for $30, 1 for $25. Not really 3 amp, not really 2 amp. Really is a 1.5. Make a choice. All right, so all these parts you'll see below the video. I'll show you where I got that. It's kind of new. I made contacts. I got with those people and I said, hey, man, do something. You did it for other people's stuff. Do something. And soon, coming soon, is one of them to use that battery. Check it out. On the old Milwaukees. Very soon. So y'all stay tuned. We're going to be having that battery. Now you can't use that charger because its pulse width modulation is 64 times a second and lithium requires different. So we're going to be putting that's only a 1.5. This big monster is a 1.5 amp hour for the old Milwaukee. We're going to be putting lithium on it. The old Milwaukees. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys. And hey, that worked out great, didn't it? Look at that video. That was nice. Next video coming up. Stay tuned. We're going to go through DC materials, direct current, and I'm going to show you the biggest damn scam in the solar and wind industry right there. Right there. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys. Ain't that right, Emma?